So when I saw the concept of the fellowship in Chicago, I was immediately fascinated because there's too much emphasis on publishing papers rather than creating tangible solutions. And if this is not taught, then we somehow miraculously rely on industry to train them. So why don't we teach them this earlier? Why don't we see it through, especially if it's for good? Establishing DSSG in England was not easy. I had to go around with my head, collect some funding. There was no grant that paid for it, but instead from operating budgets of different university departments and the institute and some sponsorship, we made it happen. And so why is it necessary? It's necessary because the fellows receive a stipend. The mentors are typically full-time paid positions. And so to basically get excellent skill and train them further, this is the mission. So to get help, I convinced 3 professors from math, computer science, and business school to co-sponsor and put an effort in this. Having others on board was really important, especially now that I moved here, because they keep the fellowship going in Warwick, and we even run some events together virtually. So this photo was taken in 2019, which we ran between the University of Warwick and the Alan Turing Institute. We had 24 fellows working on 5 projects, and our Datafest was in the tallest building of the UK, the Shard. The pilot program was a great success, and we were excited to see what will come in 2020 and beyond. And what came? A pandemic. The world seemed to stop, and most events got cancelled. Many training events got cancelled, but we decided to keep going because we thought while we ourselves should socially distance, the social good shouldn't, but it should grow. So we run virtual events in 2020 and 2021. This is clearly not the same. It's very different, spending nearly 12 weeks in front of your computer, coding as well as Zooming or using Teams or other techniques. But we had impact and we delivered the training. So we were pretty overjoyed to be back in person this year. Although we were cautious, we reduced the numbers, but we hope to make a full-scale program in 2023 and beyond.